Nope, you are not looking at my brand new washing machine. Would you believe this front loader is almost 10 years old? This is not a deepfake video. This is my own front loader, and in this video I share 3 tips on how I keep it looking this pristine.
Let's talk front loaders. People either love them or they hate them. The good, they're considered the gold standard of washing machines. They use less water, they use less electricity, all good for the environment. They spin your clothes at such a quick speed that they come out damp dry, spending less time in the dryer, all good things. The bad, they get moldy and they stink. And that absolutely does happen. Today's video, I share 3 tips and tricks to keep your front loader looking brand new.
Tip number 1, wipe it down to keep it dry. Keep a hand towel near your washing machine. I have mine on a command hook on the wall. It's very convenient. Then when you're done with your laundry for the day, for the week, whatever your schedule allows, basically when you are not going to be doing laundry for at least 24 hours or more, then wipe down your machine. This takes less than a minute. Just grab that towel and wipe down the ring. The ring is rubber. It has a lot of give. It's easy to pull. It's easy to dry. Just pull that ring back all the way around and wipe it dry. This prevents water from sitting here and eventually smelling and even turning moldy. Give your door a nice wipe too, and don't forget about the soap drawer. Pull that bad boy out, dump the water out in the sink, wipe the inside dry, and let the components sit out on top of your machine. I also keep my door open or even cracked because I'm a little OCD, but this definitely prevents any water I may have missed to air dry. Tip number 2, drain your tub and clean your filter monthly. This tip keeps your washer smelling fresh. Once a month, you'll want to drain the tub. Every washer should have a drawer that houses the hose and filter. Models do differ, so check your manual for your location. Mine happens to be located on the front at the bottom. I just grab a bowl, unplug, and empty the hose. You may be surprised at how much water actually comes out. That was just sitting in your machine. Full disclosure, the first time you do this, it may smell and look disgusting. I wish I recorded the first time I emptied my tub, but actually, maybe not. I find that some months, though, the water does look worse than others. Sometimes there's a lot of stuff floating, and other months, not so much. When it's done emptying, you just simply plug the hose and clip it back in place. Next up is the filter. Use that towel or paper towels before unscrewing it because a lot of times there's water stuck in there and it will just flow out. Simply unscrew and look at it. Mine was soapy because I just finished a cycle, but I did see some hair stuck in there. Just rinse your filter, even use a cleaning toothbrush and scrub all that grime and soap scum and pull out any hair. Check under the rubber ring to make sure it's all cleaned up, and once it's clean, just screw it back into place, make sure it is tight, and shut the door. Tip number 3, do a deep clean on your washer monthly. Every month, schedule time to run a tub clean cycle, or if your washer doesn't have that option, just run a heavy-duty cycle and use the hottest water setting. Make sure the tub does not have any laundry in it, and feel free to use whatever you have on hand. I've seen people use vinegar, OxyClean, or even bleach. Personally, I use these high-efficiency safe washing machine cleaner tablets. I add to a tub clean cycle. I'll link these below in the description if you want to check them out. Following these 3 simple tips will help keep your front loader looking fresh and smelling clean. As always, I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to check out my website or socials, links are below. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.